so fabulous today.
Thank you so much. It's an honor and pleasure to be sharing the stage with you tonight, along with all of these beautiful people here in Bahrain. Yeah! Mabuhay, and we are celebrating tonight the 125th Independence Day.
Warmest greetings to our distinguished guests, dignitaries, Her Excellency Ms. Anne Dawn Luis, and to our valued sponsors and our lovely audience, good evening. In commemoration of the 125th anniversary of the Philippines, the theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan, and the 45th anniversary of the establishment of Philippines-Bahrain diplomatic relations, the Filipino Club, in partnership with the Filipino Channel and with the support of the Philippine Embassy, Kingdom of Bahrain, proudly presents Rampa,
Pilipinas. With the theme Rampa Pilipinas, the aim of this event is to showcase the cultural heritage and ancient clothing and styles during the essential eras of the Philippines. This includes the pre-colonial era, the colonial era, and post-colonial or contemporary era. The goal is to preserve the Philippines' past values, beliefs, customs, and traditions, and our present time. It gives us an irrefutable connection to the past that allows us to identify ourselves with others and deepen our sense of unity, belongingness, and national pride.
To formally start the program, we would like to invite everyone to please
Yan na yung atin.
The Philippine National Anthem.
Dito tayo yung kadating kanina.
You may all be seated. Thank you.
The Igorot tribes are the indigenous tribes located in the Cordillera Mountains in Luzon. What you're seeing on stage is the female traditional clothing of the Igorots, generally called tapis. The way it is worn is being wrapped around the waist. In ancient times, the Igorot women did not wear upper garments, but were still highly respected by the Igorot men. It's only recently that they have to wear upper clothing.
worn by Visayan royalty. More prestigious clothes which were added for public appearances, and especially on formal occasions. Blouses and tunics, loose smocks with sleeves, capes, or ankle-length robes. The textiles of which they were made were singularly varied, such as abaka decorated with colored cotton thread.
And tailors. More women wear traditional cloth called the mano, which is colorful, and women cloth wear around the body. Both men and women of the Moro people wear a large length of fabric wrapped around their waist called patadjong.
This beautiful piece is a traditional hand-woven cotton cloth used as a sarong or tubular skirt as part of the traditional dress of Iranian and Bajau women in Mindanao, worn during weddings by the Iranian women. This outfit is decorated with headpiece called sarimpak, shaped like a boat, worn during special occasions or festivities.
One of the natives of Mindanao are the Tausug's from the Sulu archipelago. The native attire of a Tausug consists of baju, lapi, the upper wera and kuput. The pants for boys modeled on stage is the batawi and sablay. For formal occasions of women, Tausus. On the other hand, Sambra and Supa and the pants for the girls called Sawal are used daily. Travel around the globe to work and to find a greener pasture. Some were blessed to land in the convivial island of Bahrain. In 1978, the Kingdom of Bahrain started its diplomatic ties with the Philippines.
Thank you, Lord.
A male and female OFW arrived in Bahrain for the first time. They are at Bahrain International Airport waiting for their employer. They are overjoyed that they have finally fulfilled their dreams to travel abroad to provide for their families back home.
Go ahead and do your thing, ding, ding. Di ka